In this video, I will answer the question if you can use OnlyFans without card. So as you can see, I'm on OnlyFans right now, and the question if you can use the platform without a card is actually very simple. The answer to this question is yes. You can use the application without adding a card to your account, but there are some restrictions on using the platform then. You aren't able to subscribe to users, so you won't have access to most of the content that users are creating, but you do have access to content that is public for everyone. So you can just go ahead and select a user in the search bar or go to a user that you want to follow and then see if that user has content that is open for everyone. But most of the people will have content that is restricted and only available when you subscribe. So the answer to the question if you can use OnlyFans without card is yes, but you will have some restrictions. You can also add a card and then get a lot of free subscriptions. Then you won't pay anything, but you can still use more features of the app because you are then able to get subscriptions. Without having a card in your account, you won't be able to get subscriptions, not even free subscriptions. So that is what will cause the restrictions. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.